Welcome to Global Flash, and we informing you about recent mega earthquake. A very shallow magnitude 5.3 earthquake was reported early morning near Funchal municipality, Madeira, Portugal. According to Spain's Instituto Geográfico Nacional, the quake hit on Wednesday, February 16, 2022 at local time 4 am. At very shallow depth of 5 km. Shallow earthquakes are felt more strongly than deeper ones as they are closer to the surface. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculation.